Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Terry's Tuesday Tips. This week we're going to be looking at a piece of software I use quite regularly. The name of it is Jing. It's by TechSmith and it's a screen capture program that allows you to pretty much capture anything on your screen. I use it all the time to post our screenshots in our chat rooms, in our forums. So let's get on with it, and I will show you how to download it and how to use it. First, let's have to go over our trading disclaimer so that Uncle Sam will stay off our backs. It just basically says not to trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. I'm sure your wife probably, or husband, agrees with that sentiment. Okay, let's go. Let me show you how to download it. Here we go. I'll put a link down in the bottom in the description where to download it from. You also might want to go ahead and sign up for a free version of the Screencast, because when you take screenshots of your charts or your desktop or whatever, you can upload it to Screencast here, and the free account allows you to upload up to 2 gigs of storage and use 2 gigs of monthly bandwidth. You can see here, that's free. So yeah, you just download it from the link I give you below. Download, install like you do any other program. It'll ask you to set up an account. You can do that. Then you link it to your Screencast account. So let's get on with how to use the software. So you're looking at your charts and you want to share with your friends or your trading buddies your idea on a certain trade. So what you can do is you mark up your chart like this. You think, oh boy, I think that's going to break out of that consolidation there, and so I want to share this chart with my buddies. So when you install Jing, it will put this little sunshine, this little ball here on your chart, and you can have it up at the top of your screen, pretty much on the bottom of your screen, pretty much anywhere you want. Just drag and drop wherever you want. And then you can either click on this capture here, and then you see how it highlights a square around your chart or whatever. So once you get it where you want it, you just hold your left mouse button down and drag it, and then let your left mouse button up. You hit capture, and then this is where you can mark up your chart the way you want. You can draw your arrows. I think it's going to keep going when it breaks out above that high there. You say, you go here to this T, you can just put it on your chart, left click again and hold it down and drag it onto your chart, and you can put on here watch for breakout, or whatever you want to put, whatever you want your friends to know, or members, or whoever you're sending it to. And you can change the outline there. Go right here if you don't want it. Let's see. There we go. Say no outline, or if you want it green around there. There we go. And you can also change just click on it and change the color of your text however you want. Then you can highlight, change that highlighter color if you want. Draw a box around a certain area to highlight it. Whatever you want to do, if it's a chart, just a picture, or a screenshot, a website, however you want to use it. So once you've got it all marked up or written on, whatever you want to do, then you can either save it down here, save it to your desktop by clicking that button, and then give it a name, or we can give it a name here, and then hit this button right here. That's where you share it with your Screencast. It'll upload it to your Screencast account and give you a link. This is the link that you would post in your chat or Facebook, wherever you wanted to share whatever you've captured. You just highlight that, your link, copy it, and post it wherever you want. And then whoever you give it to, all they have to do is click on the link and they can see your screenshot. If you want to make a video, you can make a video with Jing as well. You are allowed to make a 5-minute video. You do the same thing you would if you were capturing your screen, but instead you go down here and click on capture video. And if you have a microphone, you can record it however you want to. Say you want to show someone your screen. Say, I would have taken a shot right here, whatever, gotten out down here. Just whatever you can also, if you will, make a short video on how to use Facebook or how to do pretty much anything. It's limited to 5 minutes. And again, you do it just like you would capturing a screen. When you get through recording, hit stop. And then again, you can give it a name. And you can share on your Screencast like you did with the picture, the capture, or you can save it to your desktop by clicking on that and saving it to. It'll come up and ask you where you want to save it to. Or again, you can watch it back. So that is okay. You can go into your Screencast, into your little sunshine here. Go into the sunshine and click on this gears, and this is how you go in here and set it up initially. Set your preferences, your count, or whatever. This is also where you set a hotkey or a capture key. Every time I want to capture something, I hold down alternate key and hit J, and they'll bring up my outline, so I can go in here and that way I don't have to every time look for the little sunshine here. Every once in a while it gets hard to find that sunshine on your desktop. especially if you got multiple monitors. And you don't always want to go down to your clock and click on, make all those clicks. So it's just quick to hit Alternate and J for me. And then my crosshairs comes up. And you click on Escape to get rid of those crosshairs if you don't want them. Again, there's a history where you can look at all the videos or captures that you've taken in the past. Again, just sunshine can go pretty much anywhere. That pretty much does it for Jing and how I use Jing. I use it to mark up my charts, capture my charts, mark them up, then post them into our chat room. Hope you've learned something from this video. Again, a link will be at the bottom in the description. Link to TechSmith, to Jing. I hope you guys find as much use for this software as I have over the last years. I've been using it now for 4 or 5 years at least. No problems whatsoever. Okay, thanks for watching.